Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to simplify these algebraic expressions. These are sometimes they come in the exam, they look very complicated, and students sometimes they get them wrong. They're quite popular with the in the GCSE exam, Key Stage 3, Key Stage 2, and even 11 plus exam as well. But mainly they come in the GCSE level or at Key Stage 3 level. So what I'm going to recommend here to you is it's very important to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, because and also press the bell button, because whenever I upload any new video, so you will be notified about that. So I'm just going to start with this question. As you can see, question number one here. In the question number one, you see 6 minus 2d plus 8d minus 4 is equal to 7d minus 4 plus 8 minus 3d. What we have to do, we have to add the numbers together and add all the letters together. And once we have simplified them, then we have to bring all the letters on one side, all the numbers on one side, and then get the final value of d, right? For example, in the first question, as you can see, 6 and minus 4. You see, these two are only numbers. There is no letter with it. It's minus 4 and 6. So what we can do, we can work them out. Take away 4 from 6, it will be 2, right? Then what we can do is, can you see here, it's minus 2d and plus 8d. Okay, minus 2d plus 8d, it means you take away 2 from 8, we get 6 plus 6d. And then, so we have worked out, we have simplified the left hand side. Now we are going to do the second on the right hand side. 7d, we can work out the d's together. 7d take away 3d is 4d, right? And take away 4 from 8, we get plus 4. Now we have got this one. So what we are going to do is we can bring all the d's on one side, all the numbers on one side. You know, the one we did in the previous video. So what I'm going to do is 6d is here. We can move plus 4d on the other side, turns into minus 4d is equal to 4 minus 2. Take a 4 from 6, we get 2d is equal to 2, take away 4 is 2. So d is equal to 2 divided by 2. It means d is equal to 1. So this will be our answer for question number 1. Now I'm going to do question number 2. Again, we have to remember, we have to add the numbers separately and add the letters separately. You know, the numbers with the letters. So 7 plus 6, we can work them out. We know that 7 plus 6 is 13. And then we have minus 8n plus 16n. It means you take away 8n from 16, so it means it will be plus 8n is equal to, now 4n plus 12n, it will be 16n plus 8. Okay, now 16. Okay, then we move at 8 on this side. We have to bring all the letters on one side and numbers on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring 16 and on left hand side, and I will move 13 on the right hand side. So 8n is already here, minus 16n is equal to 8 is already there. We move plus 3 on the other side, it will be minus 30, 13 on the other side, it will turn into minus 13, right? So now we take away 8n from 16 and we get minus 8n is equal to, take away 8 from 13 is minus 5, right? Now we can cancel both the sides. So 8n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 over 8. So this will be our final answer. Now I'm going to do question number 3 for you. Again, we will bring all the letters on one side, numbers on one side. So let's see. In the first side, on the left hand side, we have got only 3, which is the number. So we just keep 3. And then we have got 8n plus 3n, it will be 11n. 11 take with 7 is 4. So it will be plus 4n is equal to, then we work out on this side, 8 plus 9 is, we can add these two because these are the two only numbers. So 9 plus 8 is 17. And then we can work out the numbers with the letters like 9n plus 4n. When we add them, we get 13n. 13n plus 6, it will be 19n, right? Now I'm going to do is I'm going to move 19n on the left hand side and 3 on the right hand side. So 19n I'm going to move here. 3 I will move on the other side, but on this side, okay, when 19 and you move it, it will turn into minus 19 plus 4n, which is already on this left hand side. Then we move, then this is 17 is here. Then we can move plus 3 there. On the left hand side, it will be minus 3. Now we can work them out. Minus 19n and plus 4n, because one of them is plus, one of them is minus, so we take them away. We do not add them. So it will be minus 15n is equal to, take a 3 from 17 is 14. So n is equal to, remember we have to find the value of n. So we have to leave n at its own on the left hand side. Minus 15, when we move there, it will be divided. So 14 divided by minus 15. And this will be our final answer. Final answer to this question. Now question number 4. 4k and 9k. These are the two we can work out together. So take away 4k from 9k, we get minus 5k. And then we have got 6 plus 8, these two on the left hand side, 8 and 6, we can add them. It will be plus 14 is equal to 6k plus 2k is 8k, 8k plus 7k is 15k, 15k plus 4k is 19k. It will be 19k. And then we can add the numbers, and there's only one number, which is 8. So we can just write 8 here. Now, in the next step, I'm going to move plus 19k on the left-hand side. So when I move plus 19k on the left-hand side, it will turn into minus 19k. So minus 5k minus 19k is equal to 8 is already on the right hand side. Now we can move plus 14 on the other side. It will turn into minus 14, right? So 19 and 5k, when you add them, you get minus 24k. Because remember, we add them because the both of them are minus. That's why we add them. And 8 take away 14 is minus 6, right? So now we can cancel them. So k is equal to 6 over 24. 6 over 24 means 1 over 4, because 6 and 24, they both go on 6 timetable. So 1 over 4. So our final answer for this question will be k is equal to 1 over 4. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm sure you understand it. But if you still have any question, please uh, comment below. I will try to answer your questions about any topic, GCSE level, maths, English, or science even. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe and to press the bell button so you will be notified about the new videos coming up. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah, so one more thing, in the next question, next video, I will be explaining you the same kind of concept, but a bit more tricky. So please remember to stay tuned. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.